How to find hidden Walmart clearance deals at your store. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can find the hidden deals. So for this, just open up your Walmart and make sure that you are using the precise location of your Walmart app. And after logging into your app, you will be able to find the option of scan at the top right in the search bar. Just click on this particular scanner and allow it to record your pictures and your camera. Then click on this option of got it. What it will basically do is just scan the QR code on various items in the store. This way, whenever you will scan the QR code of any item, you will be able to see that the actual price of that particular product might be lower than what is written on the Walmart store. So you would be able to save huge amount of money this way. So all you have to do is just open up this scanner and then scan any particular QR code in the store, and you would be able to see the actual price of that particular product. And you would notice that at least 75% of the products are cheaper than the price which is marked up in the store. So this way you would be able to find the hidden Walmart clearance deals. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.